Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all of you to my channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about some Vastu remedies, numerology, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. So if you all are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. So let's get started and let's move on towards our today's video. So let's see that what's stored in today's video for all of you. So in today's video, I'll be talking about a very powerful tip that will help you in clearing away all the money problems that is there in your life right now. So this tip is open for everyone. Anyone can follow this tip. There is no specific rule that only a salaried person or a business person can follow this tip. If you are a housewife, if you are a homemaker, then also you can follow this tip. If you want to increase your savings for your own self, for your kids, for your parents, or let's say anybody who's there in your family, then also you can follow this tip. And if you want to decrease your expenditure especially. So this is a very beautiful tip that will help you in clearing away all the financial blockages that are there in your life. So all you have to do is you have to place a three-legged frog in your home and in your office if you have got your own startup, your own business. So just wait for a few seconds. I'll show you that how this three-legged frog look like, and because I have this frog with me today. So just wait for a few seconds. So this is a three-legged frog. This frog has got special importance in Vastu and as per the Feng Shui principles. Many people keep it at their home and their offices as well, because this frog gives very beautiful benefits. So you can see that this is a golden color frog. Two legs are there in front and one leg is there at the back. So this is a very beautiful frog and one coin is there in his mouth. And you can see that there are multiple coins that you can see. This frog is surrounded with multiple gold coins. I mean, they're not the real coins, but the gold color coins that you can see in this frog. So, what does this indicates? What idea, what thoughts come in your mind when you see this frog? This indicates when you place this frog in your home or in your office, that will mean that this frog will invite money into your life in every area. So whatever financial problems that you're facing right now, if you are into some kind of job and you are facing a lot of financial problems in your job, you are struggling financially, you're not happy or you're not satisfied in your current job, you're not getting your salary or your paycheck on time, then you can place this near your main entrance in your home. But make sure whenever you are placing this frog, three-legged frog in your home, place it facing inwards. The way we enter in our house, so the same way you have to place this frog, because that will mean that this frog will bring money into your life. This will bring finances in your life. And if you don't have your own job and if you have got your own business, your own startup, or let's say you have got business for past many months, past many years, but currently your business is at a stagnant phase. There are a lot of financial blockages, problems coming in your business, and if you want to grow and expand your business at a larger scale, and you have made multiple investments, good amount of investments in your business, but you're not getting any kind of outcome or profit from your business, then you can place this frog in your office and in your home too. In your home, you can place it the same way I told about the job one. You can place it near the main entrance facing inwards, the way we enter our house. And in your office, what you can do, you can place it on your office desk, on your office table, on the top left side of your table. Make sure it is facing inwards, not outwards. That will mean that this will bring money into your business. This will enable the flow of money in your business. So all your financial problems, all your money problems that are there in your business, whatever investments you have made in your business will start making profits once you place this frog in your office or in your home. And if you have got your own shop, any other shop, any kind of shop like garment shop or any other shop furniture shop, then also you can place this frog in your shop as well. You can place it on your cash drawers, cash lockers, or near the cash counter area. If you have got your own hotels, restaurants, this will provide you with great benefits, and this will clear away all the monetary problems, the money problems that are coming in your life right now. So anyone can follow this tip, but make sure one thing you should keep in mind while placing this frog in your home or in your office or in your shop. Whenever you are placing this frog, just set a particular intention. What exactly you want in your life right now. देखिए उस समय जो भी आपको अपनी लाइफ में चाहिए मनी से रिलेटेड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू नीड urgent cash in your hand right now. So whenever you are placing this frog in your home near the main entrance, just set a particular intention. Just take this frog in your left hand, keep the right hand above it, left hand at the bottom, right hand at the top, and just close your eyes and visualize. Visualization is very important when it comes to setting any particular intention. Just close your eyes and visualize that you are attracting money into your life. You're attracting cash into your life. Just say this. You can say it 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. You can repeat as many as times you want. It's just that you need to set a particular intention. That is very important. And then you can place this frog near the main entrance of your home. But do not keep it on the floor. Take some table and then you can place this frog in your home. And same thing you have to do in your office. Let's say you want to grow and expand your business at a larger scale, at a larger level. Then take this frog in your hand, in your left hand, keep the right hand above it. Just close your eyes and visualize. Just visualize that your business is growing and expanding at a very good scale, at a very good level. You can say anything. Just say this and you'll feel the difference in your life after a few days or after a few weeks. It depends on person to person. For some people it takes days to get the results, for some people it takes months, for some it takes weeks, or for some people it takes an year. It totally depends on you, your faith on yourself and on the divine power and on this frog or any particular thing. So this is a beautiful tip. Please do follow it and let me know what kind of results you got after following this tip. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about some Vastu remedies like this, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to Vastu, tarot card reading, numerology, or if you would like to place an order for any kind of crystal, then you can contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. So I have mentioned the links in my description box below, so you can just go and check it out there. So thank you so much for watching my video.